Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Altec Lansing HydraJolt waterproof Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might need to do this if you're having issues with the Bluetooth that's not connecting, or it keeps disconnecting, or there's something wrong with the sound or anything like this, or you just want to get a fresh start and have it forget all the devices. We can go ahead and do that. It's real easy. So you kind of have two options on here. You can just do a Bluetooth hard reset, or you can actually just hard factory reset the whole device. To do the hard reset on the Bluetooth, we're just going to come in here and we're going to hold the microphone button here. We're just going to press and hold it for 10 seconds. Now, after 3 seconds, it will actually turn the Bluetooth off and it'll make a beep. Just keep holding it until you get past 10 seconds and it will actually turn the speaker off and all of the paired devices will be forgotten. You can turn it back on and repair it as a new device. Another option is within the jack's little case here, if you open up, there's actually a reset button in there, and that will do a hard reset and restore factory default settings. If you press, you'll need a paper clip or something like that to press and hold for a couple seconds.